What's up everybody? Welcome back to Think Welding and More. Today I'm excited to share with you the goodies I got last weekend from the welding shop. I picked up this esab Rebel 205. This thing is rad. It's a multi-process welding machine. It does TIG, MIG, and stick welding. Today I have it set up on TIG. I'm gonna do the stainless steel lap joint. I'm gonna move the camera so you guys get full view of the puddle, and during that time I'm gonna explain to you what type of tungsten, filler wire, gas, and the settings on my regulator. So now that we're on the same page, let's move on to the welding. Let's talk about my setup. I'm using a genuine Heliarc number 17 TIG torch from esab. I put a CK worldwide cup and collet on it. I'm using a red 332 tungsten sharpened to a fine point. My backing gas is argon. I set my regulator at 30 CFH. I'm using a 1/16 filler wire, stainless steel, and I'm doing a keyhole dip. Try it out. I hope it works for you. Right here you can see I'm doing a fillet weld. I'm trying to keep it as small as possible, that way I don't melt away the top edge. If you need to do multiple passes to fill it up, that's going to result in the best quality weld. Do a pass, let it cool, and then work on another one. If your welds are turning gray, there's a few things you can do. Make sure you start out with cold stainless steel. Turn up your backing gas, use a little bit more wire, and move a little bit faster. Alright, so here goes my stainless steel fillet weld. Super happy with the way it turned out. I love all the colors. Even after 20 years, I'm still practicing to put down the best quality welds I can. I hope you guys got something out of this video. If you like what you see, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe. See you guys next time. Have a good one.